Good morning, everyone. I'm going to do or good afternoon, I should say. Just doing a quick update on the markets, follow up on the S&P 500 futures. And like I had said before in the previous one, we broke out of this downtrend line, and I was hoping to do this. We did we pushed up, and now we're doing I guess, a back test of the downtrend line. And let me go ahead and go into the 15-minute chart. And on the 15-minute chart, you can see, we're pretty much stalled right at the downtrend line. Now, I would like to see this downtrend line or the back test to hold. If we take out this area right here, which is in the futures 1148, I do expect probably some more follow through on the sell-off. Maybe actually let's get a little more loose. Yeah, probably around the 1145. So like you can see, this volume right here, this volume bars are the areas where most volume was that came in on the prior days, for this area of price. So if we do start taking out this 1145, you will see some more waterfall follow through on the sell-off. I'm hoping, and I do not expect it to happen that way, but anything can happen. So we're just gonna have to stay put and see and keep watching, see what happens. Also, let's look at the dollar. Dollars. This is the weekly. We have seen this push up higher on the dollar. I do expect some sort of pullback. We're looking at the weekly chart. Now, we've had a pretty high volume on the top this past week. But the one thing that I do wanted to point out was the divergence negative convergence of the MACD. You still see we haven't taken out this downtrend line on the weekly. Okay, the weekly is going to be way more. This resistance is going to be way more powerful, I guess, or stronger. Uh, or So we're gonna have to see if the dollar does want to push higher to the levels. I would like to see this downtrend line or the MACD take out the downtrend line for the weekly, and the only way that's going to happen if we see some more volume coming in for the dollar. So we're gonna have to see what happens next week. Okay, again, gold, we're still consolidating. Like I've been telling from the beginning. Once we put this bottom right here, right of the uptrend line, all we're gonna be doing is consolidating, and it may last a few more weeks, I could say. But we're just gonna have to watch this level right here of 1560, 1570, because those are crucial areas that you may see some volume, sell-off volume, because this is a very long-term uptrend line. So once that gets taken out, technically there will be some sell-off. So we'll just keep an eye on that. And finally, let's just check out the silver futures. And on the silver futures, we still see the same thing as the dollar. I'm sorry, as the gold, just consolidation. Okay, so until next time, thank you for listening. This is directionalanalysis.com.